Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way how to make a fast breakfast smoothie that you can get done in no time. So for this smoothie you're going to need some apples, and I'm just using up what I have. So here I'm going to be using some dried pineapples and papaya. I'm going to be using some oats, some flax seed, and some almond milk. So I'm just going to be throwing all this in the blender and get blending. In my blender I'm just going to throw the almond milk in and throw all my other ingredients in. And I'm just gonna blend this up. Okay, so we're all finished blending and we're just gonna pour this in our smoothie cup, and you don't have to worry because everything is blended out completely. I was hoping to get a full glass, but that's okay, this will do. So there you have it guys, a quick and easy healthy smoothie, and it's thick and nice, just perfect for your straw. So yeah, that's all you need for breakfast and you're good to go for your morning. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to always give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.